Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix dating feature not showing issue on Facebook. So guys, if the dating feature is not showing up on your Facebook account, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now open your Facebook and then go to your settings and turn on your internet connection first. And once you are here, you have to simply tap on settings button and then go to personal details, and from here tap on profiles and personal details, and from here tap on birthday, and from here you have to simply make it show that your age on Facebook is not less than 18 years. So guys, you can see this. If your age is less than 18 years, then you will not get the dating option or dating feature on your Facebook account. So guys, simply tap on edit button and then you have to simply change your date of birth and make sure that you are above 18 on your Facebook account. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply change the country region on your device. So guys, sometimes the dating feature is not available in some countries where you are unable to get this feature. So guys, if you are living in a country where this feature is not available, then you have to simply open settings on your device and then go to general and then scroll it below and go to language and region, and from here go to region and select the region where the dating feature is available. So guys, simply do this, and after this hopefully you will get the feature on your Facebook account as well. And if you still face this issue, then you have to simply contact the Facebook team for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.